Hi there, my name is Dave Duford from buylifeinsuranceforburial.com, and today we're going to talk about how to qualify for a burial life insurance plan even if you have diabetic issues. So what we're going to start with is going through a list of what would fall under a diabetic issue, and then we're going to go through the options that you have with each issue. So if you have diabetes, definitely take care and listen to what I have to say, because it may impact you greatly, because some agents can help you while other agents cannot, and I can help in many cases with people with all sorts of diabetic issues. So let's start from the top. Of course, diabetes is what we all well known as is sugar, where we have to take some sort of medication to control our sugar levels so that we don't have problems later on down the line. There's a couple of different issues with diabetes, starting from even just a basic level of diabetes at a high blood sugar level, all the way down to insulin use, complications of diabetes, so on and so forth. If you've got basic diabetes, fear not. It's very simple to get you some kind of coverage. In fact, most burial insurance plans I offer can easily get you 100% preferred coverage, regardless of how long you've had diabetes. Now here's where it kind of gets a little sticky. Sometimes people who take or have diabetes take some level of insulin. It can be a few units, it can be up to 100, 200 units I've seen sometimes. Either way, insulin has a profound impact on whether or not you can get qualified with many companies. Not just how much you take, but when and what age you started. I work with a lot of companies that can help you despite how much you take, when you started it, even if you're a type 1 diabetic and you've had it since you were in your teens, or even before that. You can get fully 100% covered despite having taken insulin for a long time, or even if you started it yesterday. No matter what, there are plans that will work with you, and I have access to companies that can help you. The other thing you got to be concerned with is also if you have complications of diabetes. Now this is a pretty wide-ranging scope. For example, if you have complications of diabetes such as neuropathy, where you feel the tingling in your feet, nephropathy, kidney issues along with your diabetic issues, if you've lost fingers or toes, or have had issues where you've had diabetic comas, insulin shock, that kind of thing. Those can have big impacts on your insurability. Companies start to get a little iffy about even wanting to talk to you. Not the case with me. This is why I work with a multitude of companies, because each of those issues can be handled on an individual basis, and in many cases can get somebody 100% fully covered from the first day. The last issue I'll make with you is that if you have diabetes of any kind and a combination of heart issues, these two factors together can make it difficult for you to get coverage. Again, with most companies. However, there are some companies that agents work with, like myself, that don't care about the complications and the combinations of diabetes and heart problems. I can help you if you fit that. So if you've had any kind of heart attack, stroke, stent, bypass, seizure, aneurysm, pacemaker, angina, anything that fits in that category in combination with your diabetes, you'll definitely want to talk to me, because a lot of insurance companies don't want to talk to you. My name is Dave Duford. I'm at buylifeinsuranceforburial.com. Please check my website out if you'd like to talk to me about getting you a free, no obligation quote. Go to my website, go to the contact page, or call up the phone number you see. And if I don't pick up, leave me a message, and I'll be more than happy to give you more information about what you could qualify for. And if I can help you, great. If I can't, hey, no big deal either. Again, Dave Duford's my name, and it's good to meet you. Take care.